One small mistake here can destroy the whole transformer. Tap changer wire soldering is in progress. But do you know how risky this step is? If the joint is not done perfectly and the tapping is not set correctly, you won't be able to increase or decrease voltage properly. What happens then? Overvoltage or undervoltage, coil damage, even total transformer failure. This is not just a simple connection. It controls the entire system. Want to learn how to make this joint safely and correctly? Watch the full video till the end. Like, comment, share, and follow my page.